Hi, this is Mila's Projects. This video is about how I DIY'd my laminate kitchen cabinets. Here's how it looked before. It was a dark mahogany color, which I felt looked a little bit outdated. So what we started to do was we removed all of the kitchen cabinet doors and we removed all of the handles. And that's my son who decided he wanted to help us that day. So as you can see, he just took off, he was just helping us remove all of the knobs and we put them in a Ziploc bag, but we decided we're going to change the knobs a little bit later on, but we put them back on. Here's how it looked once all of the cabinets were removed. So first we used a TSB cleaning solution and we used a damp cloth after to wipe off the TSB solution off the cabinets because the paint won't adhere if the TSB solution hasn't been wiped off after. Then we gave it a light sanding with 220 grit sandpaper, and then I applied my first coat of primer, and this is how it looked after one coat of primer. And the primer I used is called 123 primer, and I got it at Home Depot for about 26 bucks. Then I went ahead and painted all of the edges of the cabinet with the primer, and this is how it looked after the edges were painted. Then I applied my first coat of paint and I used a brush to get into the grooves, and then I used a microfiber brush to go through the rest of the cabinets, the rest of the parts of the cabinets. I did about 3 full coats before the mahogany was fully covered. Here's a picture of the microfiber brush that I used. It was awesome. It didn't show any brush marks on the cabinets after it had dried. Then I went ahead and painted all of the edges of the cabinets, and I also did 3 coats of paint for the edges. Here's how the cabinets looked after 3 full coats of paint, and I waited till the paint was completely dry every single time before I applied another coat. So it took me about 3 to 5 days just to do the cabinet painting, just to give it the drying time. Then we put all of the cabinets back on and all of the handles back on, and here's how it looked before. Here's how it looked after. I hope you guys loved the transformation because I know I did, and I can't wait to decorate it. So thank you for watching Mila's Projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please let me know in the comments what you think of my cabinet makeover. See you soon!